Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay guys, this video is going to be quite interesting. So if you like me and you travel with two phones on a daily basis, um, you might notice that the one you use the most, which in my case is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, you might notice that the battery dies a lot quicker on that device because obviously that's the one you're using the most during the day. So let's just say you're not at home, you don't have your charger with you, and you're on the bus, for example, or you're on the train, or you're just taking a walk through the park or something like that, and you notice that your battery's dying on the main phone, what you use, but you've still got your secondary phone, and you want to put some charge into your main phone. I'm going to show you a nice, neat little trick what you can do. All it requires is for you to have a USB connector and the USB cable what came with your S9 Plus. So all you've got to do is just connect the USB connector, into the device what you're going to be stealing the power from, and then just plug in your USB cable. So if you look here at the top, let's just go back there, you'll notice my S7's on 91%. And my S9 Plus is on 68%. So I've got more power in my S7 there. So I'm just going to steal a bit of the power and use it to charge up the S9 Plus. So just plug in the USB cable there into the receiving device. And you'll notice up here at the top then it should begin to charge, as you can see there. So like it says, if you're just taking a walk through the park, or if you're on the bus or you're on the train, you can just sit there and just wait for it to charge up. So yeah, that's a nice, neat little trick what I've just shown you guys. If you like this video, you already know what to do. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments in the comment section down below. Some of you guys might have known about this already, but this is for the viewers who don't really know about this. So yeah, if it helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.